Hey everyone, Mike Mello, broker associate at Preferred Real Estate Brokers, coming to you today in Apopka to show you this home behind me. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with 2,342 square feet. Now we're actually going to be looking at this home here is available for sale. It's a model home that's available for sale, and the price they're asking is $380, $230. So we're going to take a walkthrough on this, but first of all, we're going to actually look at some drone footage, look at the floor plan, and then take you on a walkthrough of this beautiful model home. So let's take a quick look at the floor plan. So as you come into the entrance, we have the garage there on the left, and then on the right, there's a hallway. We go down that hallway, there is a den, but that can be converted into a bedroom. Then you have bedroom number 2 and bedroom number 3. Going back past the hallway, we see that we have a full bath there and also the laundry room. And then we come back into the main part of the home where we have a nice sized kitchen and a great room. And then over to the back right, we have our primary bedroom with 2 spacious walk-in closets and also the primary bathroom. Now there are some options in this home. So some of the options are to turn that den into a 4th bedroom. You can also do some tray ceilings and volume ceilings, a kitchen island, and also a covered patio, as you see here. All right, so now that we've taken a walk through, or we've looked at the drone footage, let's go ahead and walk through this home. So come on and follow me, and let's go inside. Again, it's 2,342 square feet, and we're talking about this specific home that's available for sale, $380 and $380,000. And we come in here, the first thing we see, we have some nice upgraded flooring here, and then we go here to the left where all the bedrooms are. So over here, the first thing we have is the laundry room, as you can see here. These are all very energy efficient homes. This actually has an Ecobee, which is very similar to a Nest. I have the exact same one in my home. We have an office here, which is actually can be considered a 4th bedroom. And then we have a bedroom here, which they have as the exercise room. So this will be bedroom number 3. And as you can see here, now if you're interested in the decor of this, that's also a possibility. Just let me know, and we can definitely talk to the builder about selling it as is with all the furniture and everything you see in it. And this will be bedroom number 4 over here. So 3 bedrooms on this side of the home. And then we also have the full bathroom right over here. That's this direction right here for these bedrooms. So now let's go ahead and look at the main living area of the home, which is over this direction. Now, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button on YouTube. Also subscribe, hit the alert bell. Definitely if you're interested in homes in Central Florida or just looking at interior design ideas for your own house, no matter where you live, make sure you follow our channel. We've got some great ideas. So we have over here, we have a family room area. And then we also have the dining area right behind me. And then we have this wonderfully big kitchen. I love this actual countertop. It's got little sparkles in it. You might not be able to see it. We'll see if we can get you a close up on it. And then we have all the counter spaces here. As you can see, plenty of area for the kitchen, which is the heart of the home. And then we also have the pantry area right here for extra storage. So let's go ahead and also let's look out real quick, because this will be this specific home that you're buying. And they do, if we look out the window here, they do have a lot of extra pavers and a little sitting area outside with some landscaping that obviously will come included with this specific home. A little bit different than I usually do, where you have a base price, have to pay for a lot premium, have to pay for upgrades. This is $380 for everything you see here with all the upgrades, and the lots are big. The lots are bigger than a typical 60 by 120 lots, and you do get a lot of space between you and your neighbors. So let's come over here. We do have a little storage area here, and then we go into the primary bedroom, which is very spacious. You have a king size bed here, but look, I mean, look, you got all this space here. You got a dresser drawer here, and then you got all the space over here. You got 6 feet in front of it as well. You got another 6 feet over here. Lots and lots of space, very spacious. And then let's go and check out the closets. You have 2 closets, something that some people do want. You have a left and a right closet, depending on which you are, if you're left, you're right, but they're both about the same size. And then you have your primary bathroom right here. We have a shower, we also have a tub, we have dual sinks, and then we also have the water closet behind me in the corner here. So that's this home. I want to thank you for watching. If you're interested in buying anything in the Central Florida area, whether you're looking to sell, looking to buy a little bit less as far as space or price, a little bit more as far as space or price, make sure you give me a call. My knowledge and expertise can definitely help you find the right home for you. If you're looking for other homes in the Apopka area, click on the link right here. And then also, if you're interested in other homes that are around this sort of same square footage, 2,000, 2,500 square feet, click on this link right here and I'll take you to those. Thanks for watching. Hope to meet some of you soon. Take care.